Hello, Ash here. Absolutely fascinated by ChatGPT and playing on it and using it for business every single day. But also fascinated into what we're going to do in the future, how we're going to embrace this tech and how we're going to survive and thrive with it. So what makes us uniquely human? What will AI never be able to replace? What will come as a result of this? Will we become more artistic, more creative? Will we have to be more innovative? Will we have to lean on our intuition and our empathy? And I made a few notes. Psychic energy, dig deeper into our souls and our spirituality and do things that the machine cannot do. Do things that are uniquely human. So, here we go. I guess I love to ask it absolutely everything. Look at this for a question. Finish this sentence for me, please, ChatGPT. The only thing AI will not replace is human creativity and intuition. Let's work on that.